In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can change price currency of Instagram products. Displaying prices in the local currency enhances trust and convenience, reducing the need for manual currency conversions and minimizing potential confusion. To do this, simply head to your Instagram. Let's say this is the product you want to post on your Instagram account. To customize to any local currency, simply tap on Add Product Details. On this page, you will see this option of Change Currency. Head to it and choose on these options. Tap on Done to save changes. Your product price currency will get changed successfully. You can go ahead and add the price and title of the product as well. This provides a localized and transparent shopping experience for customers. That's how easy it is to change currency of Instagram products. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.